Phycologist Homer, why does every day feel as so often depressing to deal with? Returning to normality feels so impossible.
Oh, Peter, depression is not a pathology, but a special form of knowledge. It tells us that something is amiss. To deal with one's depression, then, is not a matter of returning to normality. It should be recognized instead as an invitation to reframe your attention, your worldview, and in some way, to change.
What if I'm not diagnosed with depression, and I'm just using this as an excuse to cope with my lazy efforts?
People out there who struggle with depression or even subclinical depression where they don't necessarily have a diagnosis will struggle to pull themselves out of it. They'll analyze their situation and they'll recognize, okay, I need to do this or I need to do that, but they can't seem to, despite all the logic, bring themselves out of it. And then once we believe that we are not good, then all kinds of problems will arise. So the question is, how do you short-circuit this? The way you short-circuit it is by actually training your perception. So if we can look out for these cognitive biases, the selection bias, the interpretation of ambiguity as negative, and the overgeneralization, it will change literally the way that you see the world. And once the world becomes a different place, it is way easier to be less depressed.
Holy crap, you're smart, Homer. I guess I should just take it one step at a time, right? Thanks for the help, Homer.
That'll be $1,000, but for the rest of you, please like and follow for more content.